What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 34 and today's topic will be a little bit advanced and very important topic. So in this tutorial, I'll be going to show you guys how to use multiple document, and with the help of multiple document, how you can create an agent, and with that agent, we'll be going to develop a RAG, and in the RAG, we'll be going to use Llama Index query engine tool. Okay, so there are four things: multiple document. With the help of multiple document, we'll be going to create agent, and that agent will use query engine tool, right? And all together, everything will be going to be used for a RAG. Okay, so for the sake of simplicity, I have created two documents. One is AWS and one is DevOps. So let's say if user is going to ask anything related to AWS, this document will be used, and if user is going to ask anything related to DevOps, this document will be used, right. So let's start working on the tutorial. But before I start the tutorial, the source code link is actually available here. I don't like to talk much on the theoretical concept, all of you know. So let's start directly the coding part. Okay, so first thing first, we'll be going to, let's maximize this thing. Okay, and first thing first, from Llama Index. Okay, Llama Index core, it will be import simple, what is that, simple directory reader and vector store index. Okay, so we'll be going to import that. Then from Llama Index, okay, Llama Index dot llms, we'll be going to import OpenAI. Okay, so OpenAI. So these two things important. So first thing, as I said, I have two documents. So let's create two loader first. AWS loader. Okay, in the AWS loader, what we'll do, we'll be going to load the document from AWS. So it will be simple directory loader, input, input, maybe input files, right? And this input file will be going to be like copy path in this, so like this. Okay, done. And then AWS docs, so AWS docs, okay, equals to AWS loader dot load data, right? Done. Now we'll be going to create an AWS vector store index. So let's say AWS index will be vector store index. Okay, let's say dot from documents, and inside that I'll be just going to use AWS docs, right? Ready. And then we'll be going to create an AWS query engine, uh, AWS query engine QE. Okay, this will be, let's say, AWS index dot as query engine, and here probably I can write similarity, what is the similarity underscore top, okay, something will be there. I didn't find that. Similarity underscore top underscore k equals to 4. Okay, everything is ready. So let's execute this thing and see whether I'm able to get something or not. Okay, so this is actually from the previous code, so let me clear this thing. Yeah, let's execute one more time. Yeah, it's working. Let's see. Okay, done. So now what will happen, let's see. Okay, okay, so right, so AWS simple directory reader. Okay, so now what will we going to do, we'll be going to write DevOps loader, DevOps docs, DevOps index, right? DevOps index and DevOps query engine. Okay, DevOps. Okay, so first thing I'll be going to change it here, so it will be DevOps PDF. Okay, DevOps PDF, right? So I'll be going to use, it will be DevOps loader. So dev ops ops loader. So DevOps loader is created here, and that DevOps loader will be used to create the DevOps docs. Now DevOps index will be used to vector store index with DevOps docs, DevOps docs. Okay, DevOps docs. Then this is AWS index. I'll be going to DevOps index, DevOps index. Okay, that's it. Now let's execute and see. If no error, it means everything is working fine. Okay, okay, no error means everything is fine. Now with the help of this two document, I'll be going to import couple of more things. Now I'll be going to develop a tool actually. So query engine tool. So from Llama Index, so Llama Index dot core. Okay, dot agent. So it should be function agent import. Okay, function calling agent, right? So this function calling, no, I think it will be function calling agent worker or something. Okay, function calling agent worker, right? So one more module is I need to import. Let me check if I forget. So basically another one will be query engine tool and tool metadata, right? So from, okay, so from Llama Index dot core dot tools, okay, import query engine tool, and another thing is actually tool metadata. That's it, right? So first thing first, let's create something called query engine tool, QET. Okay, and there I'll be going to use query engine tool, right? Okay, so now basically uh, basically this is actually going to be a list. Okay, this is actually going to be a list. So what I'll do, I'll be just going to make it like this. Okay, like this entire thing will be in a list, and this query engine tool will be going to be used as a we'll be going to use an object of this query engine tool. So first thing will be actually query engine. So query underscore engine. So this query engine will be let's see, let me tell you what is going to be there. So this query engine will be I'm just thinking, mm, just hold on. So it will be AWS QE, AWS query engine, right? This is done. Then there will be a comma. Okay, and there should be a metadata, and metadata equals to what? So metadata equals to tool metadata. Okay, tool metadata. So inside the tool metadata, again I'll be going to use something called, let's say, name. Okay, so name, probably I can just write any name, AWS docs. Okay, comma, and description I can write it. Let me think what I can write. Okay, uh, so um, okay, provides information on anything, only only on AWS related questions. Okay, PION. Okay, done. So let's refresh this thing. So query engine tool is actually completed here. This is the first parameter, query engine tool. Then this is the second parameter. So what I'll do, I'll be just going to refresh this thing. Okay, and here okay, so this is tool metadata, and this is finished here, right? So what I'll do, I'll be just going to uh, put this bracket here. So this query engine tool is going to be here, and there must be a comma. Okay, done. So this is done. This is the first parameter. Then there will be a second parameter, second tool actually, sorry, this is a list. So this is the thing. Okay, okay, so just hold on. Okay, so what you'll do, so this is going to be DevOps QE. So DevOps query engine tool metadata equal to DevOps docs. This is just a name, remember. Okay, uh, my keyboard is actually very slow. Just hold on. I'm using actually a Bluetooth keyboard, so I'm getting a very slow response from my this thing. Okay, I don't know. DevOps docs, right? DevOps. Okay, so first tool is using AWS QE and second tool is actually DevOps QE. All done. So let me uh, again do this thing and see whether I'm getting any error or not. Okay, okay, no error. So what I will do now, we'll be going to actually uh, create, let's say, next thing is actually we'll be going to create this is query engine tool. Now we're going to create agent worker. Okay, so agent worker will be function agent worker uh, dot from tools. So first thing will be our tool. So in the tool I'll be just going to mention query engine tool. LLM is actually LLM. Didn't okay, I didn't put create an LLM. So LLM equals to OpenAI LLM. Okay, OpenAI, and there I'll be just going to put model equals to GPT 4. Oh, done. Okay, so now verbose equals to true, then allow parallel call is going to be false. Okay, done. All done. Right, now we're going to create agent. So it's equals to agent worker dot as agent. Okay, all done. Now let's write response agent dot chat. Okay, let's ask uh, provide uh, uh, write briefly about what is this happening, I don't know, sorry guys. So write, so let me copy this thing first. Write briefly okay about, okay, and I can just print the response. Okay, that's it. So let's see, it should get the answer from AWS query engine tool. Okay, see, it is using this one as an argument and it is getting the information. Okay, fine, right? Okay, good. Now let's see, uh, let's write briefly about DevOps. Okay, now let's ask. Okay, so now you see here, see the calling function, it is calling the AWS docs. This is AWS docs, right? And here when I ask DevOps, it is actually calling the DevOps docs. Okay, So now let's ask some tricky question. Let me write. uh, okay, so let's ask, write briefly uh, the key, key features of DevOps. Let's see whether it is able to get it from not. Hopefully it will do it because I'm using GPT-4. So in this way, guys, you can use multi-document RAG. Okay, nice, nice. Okay, so let's ask something from AWS. So let's see. Hmm, okay, benefits of using AWS. What what are the benefits of using AWS? Let's see. It should use AWS docs again. Okay, it is querying AWS this thing. See, cool. Hmm. Oh my god, this is very good, guys. Okay, so I'm actually impressed by the thing. Okay, hopefully you guys are also excited to try something out with this thing, right? So see, the code is actually a little bit complicated, but if you practice it won't be that much of complicated. You have to only understand and try to watch the video. See, if you watch the video just in a flat mode, it will not work. My recommendation is that you should watch the video, and after watching the video you should try out this code by your own. Maybe you can create some other use case as well. See, these things are very small tutorial, or basically I can create the small use cases, and as much as possible industry oriented use cases I'm trying to do it. But see, when you are going to do something in the company, there the data magnitude will be higher, and also you will get some very highly customized like use case. So in that time you should not get and like any trouble. So that is why I'm just trying to create this tutorial more or less like use case specific. Okay, so see, as I told you, like I'll be going to do it with the basic thing, and gradually I'll improve the complexity, and gradually I'll try to include the project. So probably this is a one of the very important project, and also in the last tutorial we did another project. So see, these three projects you can actually also add inside your CV, or maybe in your GitHub repository, and after that altogether you can put in your LinkedIn profile or maybe in your CV again, right? So if you have some other use case, you can try out similarly, right? Okay, so last but not least, before I conclude, I'd like to say a couple of things. Guys, please try to check out to my YouTube channel for other playlist as well. If you go to the playlist section, you will find there is one playlist on LangChain. It has more than 130 videos. It's a complete playlist I created, and the work is going on, and hopefully by mid of December, more videos will be coming on the LangChain. I have started creating this Llama Index series, and if you see here, this is a 34th tutorial, right? So more videos will be coming. Next thing, I also started creating videos on computer vision using OpenCV latest edition, which is version 5. So I already posted 10 videos. Try to watch this thing as well, because this is also going to be a very popular nowadays, because I'll be going to do on computer vision and deep learning together. And for that, computer vision knowledge is important, and to master the computer vision, you should know a image processing library from Python OpenCV. So all these 10 tutorials are actually uh, more or less talks about those basic like operation and pre-processing and processing techniques from OpenCV. And last but not least, I created another very popular playlist on hybrid AGI. Try to watch those playlists as well. Okay, so please try to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share the videos with your family and friend, ask them to also watch the other videos as well. I need your support basically, guys. If I don't get support and engagement, like my channel will not grow, and if the channel will not grow, it will be very difficult to maintain this channel, right? So I just need a little help from all of you. Please click the subscribe button, try to share my videos, and be a engaging, like I need some engagement from all of you, because the moment you guys start subscribing, commenting to my videos, YouTube will also going to promote the videos to the large number of audience, and also my ultimate objective is to reach large number of audience. So guys, please help me. I need your support to grow. Okay, so enough of talking and self marketing I did, sorry for that, but again, it's just a thing, right? Okay, so that's it. I'll be just going to conclude the video over here. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day, and happy learning.